most people overcomplicate affiliate marketing. Okay, you don't need a website, you don't need thousands of followers, and you certainly don't need experience as long as you're involved with the right programs. And in this video, I'm going to give you 3, okay, of my recommendations and the easiest way for you to start making an income online by getting involved with these 3 programs. Any one of them, they're all great. I've been involved with them all, okay? So even if you're brand new to this industry, these are for you. Stick with me. I'm going to go into them right now. So welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, if you don't know who I am, my name is Darren, aka the 6-Figure Dad, and I help everyday normal people like you and myself, okay, just to make money online, how to make an income stream online or multiple income streams online using proven strategies. Okay, this doesn't need to be complicated. So today I'm going to show you exactly where I would start if I was starting from scratch again in 2025. Now, here's the thing, okay, building websites takes time. And beginners, especially me included, I have no interest in building websites whatsoever. But affiliate marketing doesn't have to be slow or complicated when you partner with the right offers. Thousands of offers out there, okay? But I've handpicked 3 for you today, so you can take a look for yourself, see what resonates with you, so you can get started the same day that you sign up with it, okay? You can just get started straight away and start promoting. So these 3 are perfect for beginners, okay? Or even if you're a struggling digital marketer and you want something that's going to take the weight off your shoulders and you just want to promote and let someone else do the hard work for you on the back end of the business. Affiliate marketing is perfect for that because you're promoting somebody else's product or service. You're leveraging their experience, okay, their expertise, and you're gaining commissions every time somebody clicks on your link and makes a purchase. You're going to get that referral commission. Affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing is a game changer. So these are going to teach you how you can promote them in the right way, okay, with or without a website. If you want a website, go for it. But I would recommend skipping that step. You don't need a website. You just need a funnel that converts into sales, 100%. So let's get into it then. Okay, so 3 options for you. Starting with number 3, Jonathan Montoya's 5-day challenge, okay? And I think it's the Hackers Challenge, I think he's calling it these days. So I started with Jonathan Montoya over 2 years ago, and great guy, made an 8-figure business by now. He's taught, I would say, I think I've got it here somewhere, and I believe it's over 61,000 students, right? So we're talking about somebody who knows his stuff here. So he's got a 5-day challenge on right now. I think it's like $5 or something like that. Definitely worth you going to have a look at it. I'm going to leave a couple of links below for you. So I'm not going to go into the back office and show you each of these programs. I just want to give you the opportunity to go and watch the videos yourself, because we all relate and resonate with different people, okay, different mentors and coaches. So I want to give you the option to go and watch those videos and see what feels most aligned with what you're looking to achieve. So I've been through these programs, which is why I'm going to share them with you today. So Jonathan's 5-day challenge, okay, great way to start a business. It's the 5-day business, 5-day challenge, sorry, okay. And why I recommend this is it's short, it's simple, it's affordable, and it teaches people exactly how affiliate marketing works. So in this particular program, Jonathan shows you how to create 15 plus streams of income in like 30 minutes, right? So how complete beginners are tapping into 15 plus existing revenue streams, okay? And Jonathan and his teams, like I've already said, have helped over 61,000 students do this already. So it's proven, right? It is tried and tested. So plus it's packed with loads of value. It really is. Jonathan does go above and beyond, to be fair to him. So it converts really well for beginners to promote. Also, they have a high ticket offer on the back end, meaning that when you start promoting, if you want to be an affiliate for Jonathan, and you can promote this challenge or a free ebook that he also provides you with, that can turn and develop into $1,000 commissions should one of your referrals obviously go on and take additional training with Jonathan. That's affiliate marketing. That's high ticket affiliate marketing. When someone's got a good ecosystem like that, it makes all the difference to your business as you build it out. Okay, number 2, Legendary Marketers AI Business Builder Challenge. another great program, another great eco stacking system. When I say that, I mean an affiliate stacking system whereby you're offering something either for free or a low ticket price, like $5 or $20 or whatever. And then that can potentially bring someone into the business model. They can decide if it's for them or not. If they want to take their education, their learning, their opportunity to another level, they can do. And then, of course, that comes with a higher price point, and then you get your high ticket affiliate commissions. Hope this is making sense for you at the moment. I do appreciate I'm kind of skipping through this, but I am going to leave the links below so you can go and watch a video from Jonathan, a video from Dave here with Legendary, and I'm going to bring you on to the third option right now. Okay, so I mean, Legendary have been around for years. Okay, they really have, and this challenge teaches real skills that you can use to build long-term success online, as long as you implement what you're being taught there. It also has, like I've said already, a higher ticket option for people who want to go deeper with their learning experience. And you'll be tagged to that individual from day one, whether they come into the 5-day business builder challenge or whether they just grab one of your free guides and gone on and created an account with Legendary, you're tagged to that individual. Okay, so as they develop, your commissions will continue. If they continue on the path, so will your commissions. So that's what you've been tagged to them. So problem number one then, and this is my number one pick for you today, okay? Because the Online Income Masterclass that leads to the Winning Edge community where you get mentorship and so on. But the Online Income Masterclass, here's the best part, and you're going to love this. It's because it's completely free. Now, inside the Online Income Masterclass is a course and a community, okay? And you get opportunity to engage. I'm in there as well, so you can reach out to me for personal guidance as well. I really don't mind. There's no upfront cost for you. There's no pressure, just real help and support for people who are just ready to learn affiliate marketing the right way from the start, okay? So as you build your business, as you go through the training, yes, you're going to get additional options because we are talking high ticket affiliate marketing here. So yes, the Online Income Masterclass is a free community. You can take that as far as you want. If you wish to then go and subscribe to our paid community, which is the Winning Edge, then you can do that whilst you're inside the Online Income Masterclass. No pressure, entirely up to you. And yes, there are additional options in there, like one-to-one mentorship, okay? Like a complete business build out for you. If you don't want to be doing it yourself, you haven't got the time to do it yourself, the mentor in that community and his team will build out your entire business for you. I'm talking funnels, I'm talking email swipes, I'm talking content creation. Okay, everything you need to run your business. They'll even go and buy a domain name for you and set all that up as well. So that's just other potential opportunities for you or for your customers as you develop through that program. Now, this is my number one choice, and I'll tell you why. Is because when I first got started over 2 years ago, and I bought a great course, okay? And it was affiliate marketing. And if I knew then what I know now, I would have stuck with that format. However, being new in the game, I fell for shiny object syndrome. By that, I mean, I bought course after course after course. I got into master resale rights. I kept buying courses, thinking that's going to be the next best thing. That's going to be the one thing that changes everything for me. It wasn't. Because it's not about the course. You don't need another course, okay? You need real strategies, real guidance and mentorship, and a process, I feel, that's inside a community that's evolving all the time with high ticket offers on the back end. You don't need to be buying multiple courses, okay? You don't need multiple courses. You need one product, you need one mentor, you need one platform when you're getting started, and you need one message, okay? One strategy, one platform, one mentor, one product. Keep it simple, singular focus, which is why I love the community approach, because as you go through the education, and yes, the education is in there and it's very high level, believe me, I absolutely love everything about it. This is why the Online Income Masterclass and the Winning Edge are my number one right now, because that is where my efforts are going as well. That's not saying anything about any other affiliate offers out there. Legendary and Jonathan are my other two picks, okay? And you can go and check that out. I'll leave a copy of my ebook below. The link's there, and you can go into my ebook, and inside there you will see that I talk about these programs. I talk about the Winning Edge and the Online Income Masterclass. I talk about Jonathan's 5-day challenge. I talk about Legendary's AI 5-day business challenge as well. And again, you can go and have a look at the videos, the introduction video, see if it's for you. If it is, go for it. We're not talking a lot of money. I think Jonathan's 5-day challenge is $5. I think the Legendary, I believe, is a little bit more, but not a lot. Okay, so go and have a look at it and see what resonates with you. Either way, I'd still like to see you in the Online Income Masterclass because it's free. You're going to learn a lot from that as well. So if you want to grab access for free, the link will be below. I've dropped all the links for these programs down below in the description as well. Okay, and if you want my step-by-step guide, I will drop that below as well, my free ebook on how you can get started and start making your first commissions online. That's down there too for you. So hit like if this has helped. If you want to leave comments, please do so. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And I will be aiming to release a couple of videos a week from now on. I want to grow my YouTube channel. So if you do subscribe, I'll really appreciate it. Let's build this thing together, okay? If you come into the Online Income Masterclass or any of those programs I've mentioned and you want to reach out to me, you want my support, I am there 100% for my customers, for anybody who joins any of my offers from myself. I am there to help grow your business with you. Okay, you're not going to be left in the dark. So come into that community. You can reach out to me in the DMs, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.